I found this old picnic table sitting by the curb. I snatched it up just before the jaws of the garbage truck would crush it to pieces. It looked like it had seen plenty of years and hundreds of backyard memories. Most people drove past it and saw junk. I've always had a soft spot for old things, items with history and the marks to prove it. You can tell a lot from a piece of old wood: its age, its usefulness. Every piece, every bolt, every screw has a story behind it. It's kind of like the wrinkles on a person's hand. The signs of time don't take away the beauty. They create it. Furniture can be a lot like people. We tend to overlook the ones who've weathered a few storms, the ones with experience, patience, and quiet wisdom built in. Most people don't even think about the value in their own history, their lessons, or the stories that they carry. If you take the time to look closely, you soon realize that their wear isn't damage at all. It's proof that something or someone has lasted. This wood is tired and faded, but it's solid. Underneath that gray, weathered surface, there is still strength, deep grain, rich color, life. It just needs a little care, a steady hand, and some respect to bring back the beauty. As I work on this, I keep thinking about older people that I've known, the kind who've lived through a lot. I love listening to their stories.
When we heard, now hear this, all men man your tanks. This is no drill. We knew that this is not good, that we're going to die.
In fact, that's often when their real beauty starts to show. Just because they don't shine like they used to doesn't mean that they've lost their worth. That's often when their real beauty starts to show.
Walking through the dark like a star. It's alright, gonna make it far. I know that I am strong. I've known it all along.
Now this table has a new life. It's beautiful. But it was always beautiful. You just need to look past the surface. I put a lot of time into bringing something back, so it's not always easy to let them go. Each one feels personal, unique. Restorations and people develop a beauty that comes from years of living and being useful. Yeah, it's just a table, but it's also a reminder that what's old isn't useless, what's worn isn't broken, and sometimes the things that have been through the most still have the most to give. You just need to stop long enough to notice.